Alright, hello again everybody, and welcome to the Gambit Aviation SNJ5, T6 Texan, whatever you want to call it. I am joined today by my friend, one of our finest students, a man of many hats actually, many hats.
Oh Lord.
Chris Kenny.
Adios.
Hi Chris.
Ayo.
He is an airline pilot, he is a checked out T6 pilot, extra pilot, and as well as a professional singer. Or I guess used to be. Still am. Still is a professional singer. Opera singer. And today it's been a little bit since Chris has flown the airplane, so we're just getting a little bit of currency. And I think today what would be kind of cool is to have him do a wheel landing or two, maybe an overhead approach, and show you guys what that looks like. While having him maybe talk through some of it, or I'll tell you what he's doing while he's doing it perfectly correctly. And he won't do anything wrong whatsoever.
Not a chance.
Isn't that right, Chris?
Oh, no, sir.
Aurora Tower, North American 5632 Foxtrot's over Hinkley. Information, whiskey, inbound for the option.
North American calling inbound from Hinkley for the option. Aurora Tower, enter left downwind, report midfield. Say again, full call sign.
North American 5632 Foxtrot, will enter left downwind, runway 27.
Wonderful. All right, well, I'm going to start letting Chris talk his way through the touch and go we're about to do. It's just going to be a normal full flat touch and go, Chris. So this is your first time in a little while, so everything is totally normal. You take it away, and I'll just provide some input.
Runway 27 clear for the option. Wind variable at 4. After the option, make left close traffic.
And 32 Foxtrot, clear for the option, runway 27, left close traffic on the go.
Okay, you ready? Yep. All right, so right about being the spot, so I'm going to go ahead and start getting them configured. Right now we're in the gear range, so I'm going to go push power, gear down, use the gear, and make sure that we got 2 pins,
Aurora Tower, 10 star 985,
2 lights, 2 fingers. I start slowly walking the power back.
10 star 985,
No less than 12 inches of manifold pressure. I'm going to leave the prop back for now. I'm going to start the descent in, about 500 feet per minute. Just keeping my eye on my spot. Trim is adjusted as I need it. I'm looking down final, everything's clear. Pitching for about 100 to 110 and down when the base turn. And your flaps are available too. Flaps coming down now.
American traffic in sight.
1, 2, 3.
North American Crescent Cessna 2 Kilo Juliet, follow that traffic gets off.
And we got about 20 degrees of flaps in. I'll go ahead and throw them all in.
Number 2, clear for the option 27, 2 Kilo Juliet.
Alright, so I got 4 flaps.
Romeo, do you still have the Cessna traffic you're following further ahead on the downwind insight?
Pitching for about 90 miles an hour, 2 pins, 2 lights, 2 fingers.
Do not have in sight yet.
So we're just going to keep it coming down.
Romeo, hit you at your 12 o'clock by about a mile, same altitude.
90 miles an hour right on the ball, getting lined up on center line.
3710, Romeo.
November 71 Romeo, roger, follow that traffic.
I like to come in a little higher, through right.
Cleared to land, wind
It's a
variable.
6,000 pound airplane, so I like to keep in a little energy.
Follow traffic ahead.
More power is needed. Props coming full forward on the fence. Now it's just a game of patience.
Is flying northwest, runway 36 Juliet.
November 0 Juliet Alpha, roger, continue inbound, report midfield right down.
Over the fence, everything's good. 2, 2, 2.
Runway 30 Juliet Alpha.
Keep it coming down, keep it coming down, keep it coming down. Power comes back out. And just be patient. On the ground, fly the tail, stick all the way back in the gut, dance in the rudders, rear chief center line, push power, using the flaps coming up, and then we go full power, 36 inches, stick comes forward, just dancing on the rudders, build your speed, fly away from it, pitching for about 90. Just be patient. 34 to 35 inches, manifold pressure, climbing away from it. Clear the field, push power, these are the gear coming up. Confirm the raising. Couldn't have done it any better myself. I had a good teacher. Alright, here we are for Chris's full stop after a little recurrency flight for himself in the airplane. He has done splendid so far. So far. Oh boy. But here, we're number 1 to land. Has already been cleared to land. He's just pulling the power back to somewhere around 22 inches of manifold pressure. Getting the airplane set up for the cruise profile, which we use in the downwind. So 1,800 RPM and 22 inches of manifold pressure right now, just to keep the airplane a little slow. Next up, he's within his gear speed, so he'll probably be dropping the gear here shortly. Two, and 2. When you hear him say 2, 2, and 2, sort of our call for making sure the gear is down and locked. There's a couple of indications that we're looking for, primarily outside of the wings. So that's just him checking that. He's turning his base leg, bringing the power back down now that he's got the airport made should the engine quit. Just getting the airplane to flap speed, which he's at now. He chose to bring the flaps out to half to sort of milk the flaps down.
Aurora Tower to CAF on 789, Mike Alpha, side of the southwest, inbound for landing with X-ray.
2, 2, and 2, we're good.
789 Mike Alpha, Aurora Tower.
And we always call a second gear call, that's what you heard him just do.
Port midfield, left downwind, 279 Mike Alpha.
I was approaching short final, the airplane slowed down to about 90 miles an hour. You just push the prop full forward, that completes the configuration for the landing.
Traffic not available.
Beautiful. We'll just let her roll. Very nice, dude. Thank you, sir. That's good.
North American 32 Foxtrot, turn left, runway 15, left on Alpha, cross 18 to parking, monitor ground.
15 Alpha, cross 18, over to parking 32 Foxtrot. Have a good night, see you.
Well, that was a lot different than our last flight. What are you talking about? It was exactly the same. It was perfect. Oh, sure. I'll take it. Go left, go left. Alpha, cross 18. All right, guys. Well, thanks for joining us. Thanks, Chris, for allowing me to put some cameras in the airplane while he works on his recurrency in the airplane. It was my pleasure. Did a fantastic job. Could not have done it any better myself. I had a good teacher. Oh, shucks. Well, I'm stoked that you guys are cool with this kind of content. Today was more of maybe less informative, but just sort of like, I don't know, day in the life sort of thing. So keep sending us things that you'd like to see and wouldn't like to see. We got a bunch of comments about seeing like emergency procedures in the extra, some tail wheel stuff, some Model 12 stuff. So we got some stuff in the pipeline that we'll be working on over the next couple weeks. But we're glad that you could join us for this one on this hazy Illinois day, but it worked out nicely. And if you want to fly this airplane, you could absolutely do that too. We could be sitting up front, you know, where Chris is at. Getting the checkout in the airplane, we do 5-hour courses and 10-hour courses. And also, if you just wanted to get some stick time, you'll be sitting in the front seat from day one. Best investment I ever made. I'm definitely going to leave that in this video. All right. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it. Bye.